guys can see. Usiphathele amagwi. Yazi ngigrand. Also need collagen because
So unique. That's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category X. I'm one of one. I'm the I'm number one. I'm the only one. Don't even waste your time trying
every day, guys, I don't know what's happening, but there are trucks in here. What are these for? That's a good piece. Why are you crying? Siyamthanda ngicela umthulise because ungibangela ibhizi ngoku. Askis baby. So siya. Guys, what's happening? What are these for? Oh, i-toilet apho kwenziwa kuzo empty toilet. Le truck. And then le truck yantoni? Material roofing. Oh. Oh, nazi ne-cement. Hayi why? Abantwana bengekatyi sofuna ukubathengela amasuti ekuseni kanje. Yo. Guys. Hey, Pinto. Yes, Nana. My car. Oh, it's getting washed. It's getting washed. Guys, my car is a car wash. I didn't know anything, Mama. Huh? Inzima, why? Oh, aniyazi content. Anilindelanga. Ngiyavloga phela mina. Nina nizokwenza i-roof or niyadeliver kuphela? Niyadeliver kuphela? Andinifakanga nina. Oh, bayadeliver guys laba kuphela. Bayadeliver kuphela abayenzi i-roofing. Someone else is gonna do. Oh, I thought they are doing, but anyway. You guys said I must show you when they start the roofing. So this is the starts. They are delivering the material. Dinfeza, do you wanna say hi? Okay. Bathi abafuna ukuvela kwi-vlog. Anifuna ukuthi hi. Okusel baphathela amanzi. Wafake ejagini. Ufuna bandayo noba? Ufake ice. Ibheke mni camera. Hayibo. Enza ejagini orosa ayikho konje ngoba benzothi benzele iorosa once. Yo! Hi guys, hi. Let us start this vlog. But also I don't think, because they are just delivering, guys, I don't think I'm gonna be here when they actually start the roof and they're moving to my grandmother's house, and they're also gonna use the cottage, my younger brother's cottage. I don't think I'll be here because the kids are opening the schools very soon. So personally, I need to go back to Joburg when the kids open schools, and they just started delivering today. Today is a Thursday. Today's a Thursday in 9th of July. So I don't know. I wanted to take you guys through the whole process or whatever, but I won't be here. Mang too big. I don't think I'll be here. But yeah, let's start this vlog. I wanna make breakfast. and start my day. So yeah, I don't know what we're doing. Usually my vlogs in the village, they're just all over the place. I just pick up the camera whenever I pick up the camera, and then I start shooting. But I can't do that. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezo, but you can call me CT Mom, because I am a mother of 3 handsome boys. If you've been here, thank you so much for the love and support, and so many subs. Thank you so much for joining the family. Even in bedroom yam, it looks weird because in Orlando a headboard ihambile leya lapha ngilala umbhedo ngana headboard. It's kind of weird, but I'm used to it now because bebecuthi furniture. So furniture needs ihambile. So if you know my bed, it doesn't look like this. It doesn't look like this. But yeah, it is what it is. Okay, let me go make food. I'm not gonna make food with you guys because on my previous vlog I was in the kitchen a lot, so we're not doing that. Bye. Angasuku. Hi, excuse me. Hi, guys, it's a Sunday today. Well, I've been getting a lot of compliments about this perfume. Love it. Ha 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 ha. Sandy spray kangaka. Guys, isiyaphela. Like, it's literally here. Guys, the bottle is dark. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't think it's me. It's here. It's literally here. Like, right here. I'm sure it's... I'm sure it's my son because uyayithanda. What do you mean? Wow. Anyway, let's go to church. I don't want to yap. I don't want to make this long. I also want to delete some footage. I'm gonna delete. When I delete it here, it automatically deletes here so that I have space for vlogging. So let's go to church, guys. I'm gonna leave the camera here. I'm gonna vlog with my phone. So yeah, let's go. I'm wearing this dress. You guys know this dress from Shein. With same thingy, same shoes that I always wear. So yeah, kulungile bye. As in grand. Oh, usago driving. Oh, guys, we are here in church. I don't know if we're late or what, but my mom left us. So, because now is the last one to shower. Because let's go. Did you guys miss my phone quality? Did you guys miss my phone quality? Because Nandi kumbulile. Let's go. Genau.
akhethe balalantu alibophi igama lenkosi sakufelwa bazalwane uthi ke ubizayo bizani thengani noba aninamali alibophi igama lenkosi asize bazalwane umhlolokazi ethile kuthiwa kwakunikela emkhumbini wokugcina imali kuthiwa wayengaphethe lutho wafike naye ngokukhono wathi ngesandla alibophi igama lenkosi ukanti uJesu umbonile wathi onikele kakhulu
Usiphathele amagwinya. Should I take 1, 2?
Beningazibodwa beniphathela abantwana.
Oh, do you want one, Banzi? Uyaphi uBanzi? Guys, niyabona why? Niyabona why I gain weight? Yeah. Can you see why I gain weight when I'm in the village? Because as it is, ndiyopheka umngqusho. Ndiyopheka umngqusho.
Utshilo sathi thina mhlambe beniphathela abantwana. Asambeni kuno 2 liter.
Akhona amanye amagwinya ekhaya.
Wawaphathela wabuza amanye na.
Sibuza amaninzi hayi la. Ephathi xa khona into ungicela uzundithelele i-drink. Guys,
izani uzosela i-drink.
uphathi uzondiphathela.
Kanjani?
Yayibona ngavena kanti wangaphewanga inyama nerayisi. Why now? So good. Guys, the church is done. Wenza ngenye indlela akafani nala wethu. Asikwazi wenza amagwinya apha phezulu.
I always make sure ukuthi uphathe cela nje before ya. Amanda amagwinya akho nonana.
Scrumptious. Ngikhalela ukuya phezulu ndiyopheka umngqusho.
Asambe.
Ukhona.
Aba. Baya pha. Baya ngaphansi mase yama nabantu abayevamu.
Okuhle nokuba nzima bangena emotweni.
Kushaya ukuthi
Uphi okuhle?
ngapha.
Bathi baya kwagogo. Uzophathwa inqele ke lowana ndiyamazi uzobe ndifonela uba mandizomlanda okuhle. Okuhle ndiyamazi.
Bazokunika ngaphansi sebeyahamba.
Lubanzi, please get inside the car.
Wena mama.
Ufuna igwinya? Ithi cela. Cela igwinya mama.
Wena mama.
Udo kunye.
You're welcome. Mnandi.
Manje. Bye.
Guys, let me go home. I want to go home, but everyone I'm going with Baptist by Peterson.
I'll see you later.
Thanks, Tom. Amagunya aphelile.
Ya vlogger. Hi guys. Yo, athi ndumama. Ni right.
Sam. Athi umama womntu.
Ngiyabona.
Umama wase why ninxibe black and white nonke namhlanje?
Ndibone ngathi kune occasion black and white nami ndadothini black and white. Let me be a Makodi 2.0 now.
Okay, girl.
Ya papa ka wena konje. Sabeni.
Don't bagele phela lapha.
It's gonna rain. Ulilita guys. Hi Kelly. I'll see you later. Oh.
Uyaphi udriver akafiki? Thank you.
Don't ngani ungena phakathi.
Aphayiphi?
Ecaweni. I see. omama bonke.
Mna ke aba bama abantwana bazophatheka kabi xa sendibashiya apha kudala ndithi masihambeni. Guys, ezi zinto ndizoziphuza imasa. I hate them.
Ndiyazicela
Sendimnikile eyi-1, thathe eyi-1 ziyi-3.
ziyi-3 ndiyacela. Inkosi, why? Is it too oily?
Zinobutshiphu.
Shoo!
Ewe xa sezihleli kakhulu ziyanuka, zi-flavored, zingathi ungazikhawulezi uzigqibe.
Seriously?
Kwalapha emlomeni azilasti. Uyabona njengoba ndiyifakile ngoku inoba sendiyifaka i-5.
Oh, mina ke ama-lips amahlezi a-dry. Sho ukuthi izophela within 2 days.
Iright ikhawulezi iphele because
But it's nice and smooth.
I don't like it. I'm used to. I think sendiqhele le yase-Clicks. I think sendiqhele yona ngoku. Ndisele neyi-1, iplay 1. Hayi ndizithambisele ivasilina yam sana because umgisa kanjani emotweni ephuza mlinda agqibe uphuza.
And uzahamba kanjani nekomikela ecaweni? Oh, there's a
Uzochitha lapha emotweni ndicela nimselisele ngaphandle ndiyanicela niyeke le nto niyenzayo.
Andimboni kwaye nashem nje ndithe noongeza.
Lubanzi
Mama,
ndicela nihlaleni phansi nomhlengi.
sit down.
Good boy. Yeah. Ugogo uhambile ngemoto yakhe. Usendlini. Uhambe ngeveni ugogo. Ewe.
Today we are doing a washing.
Definitely apply, but they want Shaya end of September only. I'm coming back. I'm gonna try again with her. No choice.
Are you watching a video on the
It's
camera?
live dog. Searching 8 of them. No one said in the way to get
One five. Right. Sabe o que pagar a mãe?
Be a long day. The machine is still not fixed in this house. Nanku umshini guys uhlobisile. Yabo? Namanje awukasebenzi. Hayi bandla. Aze ngamombi. Aze ngayiphara. But let me go do that washing. It's for me, Obuhle and Lubanzi. Yeah. Hi. Guys, I haven't picked up this camera. I don't know in how many days. Because I'm just lazing around, honestly. I'm just lazing around and I don't know if I'm lazing around or I'm tired, so I'm kind of like taking a break because today is Saturday and usually by Saturday I like have content, I'm done and you know, and I'm editing, but it is a Saturday. No, I'm lying, it's a Friday today. It's actually a Friday today. So I'm going to town to buy some guys, I don't know if you guys can see. Anyway, I am going to a Clicks. Yeah, I quickly want to go to Clicks because I need to go somewhere with my mom. So, but if I might come back late and then so I quickly want to go to Clicks. Now I'm even hungry. I quickly want to go to Clicks and then come back so I can do whatever that I need to do, knowing that anando thambisa in guys, I always have like the only thing I buy in bulk, it's ama roll on nama pads. Yes, those sometimes I can buy, even if I corner I'll keep buying and buying, but indo thambisa sana, I don't know why I never buy it, because it's cheap. It's like 99 rand indo yami uthambisa A1, but yeah, it is what it is. Anyway guys, let me quickly go and stop yapping and drive, because emakhaya uthi usaqhuba kufuneka ugade inkomo, uthi usabhekele uqhamuka inja, uthi usabhekele uyabo nje, it becomes a lot. So let me concentrate on the driving, do what I need to do in town, and then go back home. So yeah, bye.
Sabawela.
I think let me do this 3 for 2. What else am I gonna take? Let me take 2. Yeah. Okay, maybe I can take the firming body wash, which I hardly use. I don't know guys, let me go get this thing. hayi andithathi into ezininzi.
No, kaloku sendisho ukhala izandla ezimbi
oba ingandosindi. Oh yini, siyabonakala uba sigugile. Siyabonakala uba sigugile Nkosi. Thank you. Why no, kwakubi kangako. Guys, do you remember I bought that do you remember I bought those lip gloss from Mr. Price and I didn't like them? I gave them to my 2 cousins. I gave one to Uzmasa, 2 to Uzasanda. I actually need my normal lip gloss. Like this thing of trying new things, it clearly doesn't work. It clearly doesn't work. So let me get what I'm familiar to. I need ngathi azikho guys. Ngathi ayikho le endiyifunayo. Oh sana, and I don't want to try something new. Yes, I don't want to try something new. Like I really don't. I really don't want to try something new. Like what the hell? Oh my god, don't have time for these. Anna, I don't know, I think let me try these. They're like 39 rand. I don't know if you guys can see. 39 rand 95. So let me take this one. I don't want to take a lot just in case I don't like them. So let's take these. Also, someone has been telling me to take collagen with vitamin C. I got that comment on Instagram. I don't know if it's the same person who commented what she commented on my Instagram post when I was posting collagen, and she said, I hope you're taking vitamin C to break down the collagen. Or I got that same comment that I should take collagen with vitamin C. So like I said, I don't know if it's the same person, but I actually just want to try it out. I actually want to try taking vitamin C and then my collagen. If there's a collagen that has vitamin C in it, please tell me so I can change my collagen and just buy a collagen that has everything, you know. But yeah, I'm currently looking for that vitamin C here. Yeah, so I'll try that. Yeah, now guys, I like taking advices, especially if I know that I don't know anything about what this person is telling me, so they might be right. Maybe it's someone who started drinking collagen before me, so they know how it like really works, or how in order for it to work faster. I don't know, but I'm just taking the advice that I must take collagen with vitamin C. That's what I'm gonna do. I also need collagen because my collagen is finished, and this is the one I take. Multi collagen. Is it this one? Why? Yes. This one. I'm gonna try this as well. So yeah. There you go. Guys, I've been using this soft and free Egamama because I didn't bring anything for my hi Banzi. Hello Banzi. Hi. What are you eating?
Popcorn.
Anyway, hi. I'm Sugan. Yes, sis. I got one, and then I got two. I got three, cause it's 2 for 3. You guys know clicks 2 for 3, so I paid for this, and one is free. And then I got 30 of this vitamin C, and then I got my collagen. This, the girlies have been using it. I've been seeing it from Uzizi and who other else. I've seen it from 2 YouTubers. Yeah, so I wanna try it out. I'm not gonna try it out. I'm just gonna stop using the other in Orlando. What do you call it? I have the small one, the share goal, but I'm gonna start using this one. And then I got some wipes because my makeup wipes are done, and I don't put a lot of wipes. I don't put a lot of makeup. Like, I don't use a lot of makeup, so I don't need a lot of wipes. So I only got one. And then I got these. I'm very excited about, but also I am hoping they do not disappoint. I'm hoping they don't disappoint because I hope they feel good on my mouth. Yeah, they are what I am used to. The color looks like, yeah, but it's nice and plumpy. Unlike, as I say, Mr. Price, guys, bezimanzi, like bezimanzi. You know when you put a lip gloss and it's just slippery on your mouth. Ah, this feels so good. Okay, this is what I'm used to. Okay, And then what else? Oh, and then I just got some. These are for Ogutle. We are trying to bubble gums, guys. So he said he wants this Demerol mint. And then I got these for myself. So yeah. Uhlela apho ndigadile uba ndiwathengile na. Hayi bani.
Guys.
What I wanna do now is let me put these. Let me put one in my bag because I don't have lip gloss. I wanna send my friend money. Ukagazi, she sells izinto zika.
Don't touch this.
Uthengisa into. Guys, ngicela iphumeni. Okuhle phuma na papayini. Hayi. Navele nanizisa umsebenzi wamageza ngoku. Okuhle libanzi mhlengi. Out. Ayofoni yakho le ungade uyikhalele. Ayo yakho. I wanna thingy. Okay, baby. I wanna buy Colgate yakwa Forever. So yeah, she sells Forever. I used to use it back in the days, but I wasn't the one buying it. I don't know who was buying it here at home when I was still staying at home. I was a baby, like I was a little baby, right? I don't know what I second song by guys. If Forever, like if Forever has been here, if siyayazi Forever sikhule ithengwa ngabantu basekhaya, but and that don't even remember whether it was my mom or her sisters or what, I don't know, but I remember a Colgate here Forever. So yeah, I'm just in the wanting to take care of my mouth, my teeth. I know I haven't done teeth whitening as I had said I'm gonna do it, but I am gonna do it this year. And another thing that I just realized that is making me to want to try, not to try it, I'm gonna use that Colgate. There's a Colgate that I'm using and it's very good, and that black thing, and then guys, charcoal dondon, and I fumana when I was doing teeth whitening, that thing actually works. It actually works. I'm still not done with it, but I'm like, before iphele mandibe ndiqala ndisebenzisa nala Colgate, yabo. Yeah, and I also use this one. This Colgate actually works. I take that black thing emnyama ndixukuxe ngayo, then ndithathe le ndixukuxe ngayo. Guys, amazinyo ami awasafani nakuqala. I know ukuthi you've obviously never seen me live. You wouldn't have known how they were when I was complaining beginning of this year and how they are now. You obviously wouldn't know, because what I've realized is that the camera does not show amazinyo ethu enyan ekamereni. They actually don't until you meet me and you're like, oh, yabo. So yeah, I wanna send her that money so that I'm just gonna pay for the Colgate and she keeps it. I'll tell her to send it to me when I get back to Joburg, so I can start using it. So yeah, like, I know. How's what does Jeffy's?
I will.
Anyway, bye guys, I'm done for the day. Also tomorrow I might go to my friend's house, who's Pokaz, the one from Mpumalanga. If you see her tomorrow here, then some of you will remember her. Kuyatshadwa kowabo. Ubhuti wakhe is getting married, so I'm gonna go there because andina content yasemakhaya. Not that I'm gonna shoot content there, because that is indlu yomnye umuntu nomtshato womnye umuntu, ayingowa lapha ekhaya. I'll try to take snippets of my friends balapha emakhaya, like her and everyone else, but not the actual wedding or everything else. Maybe ukutya zonke zonto ezilayitho wethu ezingaveza ubuso babantu, but not like ndizoshuta ngomtshato uba no, we're not doing that. But that's where we're going tomorrow. So yeah, I've been talking for 7 minutes. Bye guys. Hi guys. Hi guys, I'm wearing these pants from Mr. Price. I showed you on my previous vlog. And then this top from, I bought it from Shein. You guys remember it, right? Right. And then I'm gonna carry this bag. Because I actually don't think I'm gonna carry my thingy. I don't think I'm gonna carry my camera, so I'm gonna carry my small bag. And yeah, that's about it. My car keys are here, and I have everything that I need in here. And I sprayed her, you guys already know, and it's finished. I have a couple of sprays, maybe 2 times, and then it's chai. It's chai, but I'm kind of excited because that means when I get to Joburg, I buy myself some perfumes and go to Zara, get my combo and yabonje. So yeah, I'm not mad about my perfumes, but I'm actually okay with it. So yeah, and remember guys, I said I'm gonna go take this, I'm gonna go buy these. I think I did this too much. Also not, never mind the mess, ne? Remember when I said I'm gonna go take the other different color of these pants? I think I should. I love them. They're so comfortable. They are so comfortable. They look so cute. The other color is not far from black, but obviously you can see it's navish. Don't. It's so comfortable. Love it so much. But anyway, the one thing I hate about my bodysuit is these lines. You know those lines that say you were full bhahaza paint, it's actually not. It's the bodysuit. That's the only thing I hate about bodysuits, but I love them so much, especially for me with big ass, because when I'm wearing these like even jeans, they would be like this, at least laying guard. They'll be like this, where it's very painty, and very uncomfortable. So I kind of love a bodysuit for my body shape, but and the line, I don't like it. But anyway, guys, let us go. I am done, and your nosmasa is done. Obviously, they didn't say I must bring a +1, but I am gonna bring a +1 because I'm not gonna leave Usmasa. Okay, you get? I don't know. Maybe I can take this camera, take out the stand, cause it's quite small. Yeah, without the stand, this ingangena phe baking. I don't know. Yeah, let me take it though. Alright, let's go. Ugogo uyashawutisa sana. Yo! Emhlabeni ukhethe mina. Ukhethe mina. Ndizobhaka phi ngo? Oh, sana ndizovalela abantu. Guys, we're here, but we need e-parking. Guys, we are here and I'm wearing these shades. Guys, the shades, I love them. I know I always complain about how big they are. And I'm gonna rock them anyway. But anyway, umchato is still happening. Entendeni, besihlala entendeni. Sesahlala entendeni guys, but kushushu, like it's so hot. Then sazohlala apha emva kwemoto because it's very, very hot. So hi, I come back looking like a paro. Oh my god, I look terrible. I actually need to go to do my wig lines now that I'm thinking about it, because my hair is a mess. But actually I'm just here to close off this vlog because today is a Sunday. I didn't vlog yesterday much because we ended up going out, me and my friends. We galavant, we went to Groove. I came back home around 1:30, so I also didn't get enough sleep because Ulubanzi woke me up go 8. So I had to wake up because he wanted porridge, and then I had to go to AU Safe to go buy imilimili because imilimili pelile, because Ulubanzi akafuna jungle oats, akafuna ama cornflakes. Ulubanzi doesn't want anything, he just wants porridge. So I had no choice but to wake up, put on this thingy Pinifa, go to USAVE, go get milimili, kubuye kuphekwe imbila for Ulubanzi specifically, because umhlengi uye wayitya intoni lando i-jungle oats. Ulubanzi jungle oats akayifuni nje. Ulubanzi every day polish mama, polish. So guys, today's a Sunday. I'm gonna try and edit this vlog and see if I can post it today. I doubt because I'm actually very tired. Another thing that we need to do, we need to go to take the kids, all of them, because they're opening schools to Tuesday. So then now we obviously need to prepare them, do ama brush cut, like everyone who needs a salon. They are cleaning now, the kids, right? When they're done, sizobafaka emotweni bazohlamba baye esalon, then xa sebegqibile esalon babuye ngobahlambe. That's what we're doing today. But I'm obviously not gonna do those things with you guys. I'm just mentioning what I am doing, and that's about it. So I'm gonna try and post this last vlog of me in the village. Let me try editing, and then I don't know if I'll see, but you know what, I'm gonna start yapping, and it's fine. I'm just here to close off the vlog, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud, and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you